respiration in organism. What? Respiration in organism. Okay. Yes. Already we have discussed different types of topics in last classes. Okay. In last class we have discussed about types of respiratory system. Tracheal respiratory system. Next, another one, cutaneous respiratory system. These two types of respiratory systems were completed in last classes. Now, let us discuss about the another type of respiratory system. Another type of respiratory system. Okay, that is bronchial respiratory system. That is bronchial respiratory system. Bronchial respiratory system. What is this? This is also called as gill respiratory system. Gill respiratory system. Observe, you might have heard gills. Gills are present in some aquatic organisms like fishes, amphibians. Okay, main fishes and larva of frog. Larva of frog, etc. Okay, gill respiratory system means a specialized structure. Means in this type of organism, specialized structure. Specialized structures are present for respiration. Present for the respiration process or gaseous exchange process. Gaseous exchange. These specialized structures are gills. They are gills or gill lamellae. Gill lamellae. Very important structures these are. They are able to absorb the oxygen or absorb the dissolved oxygen from water. Dissolved oxygen from water. This is the main important function, gills. These are present in aquatic ones actually. What is the function? What is the function of gills? They absorb the dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen from water. This is the main function of the gills. Function of gills. Observe once. Observe carefully. Okay, this is very important function of the gill. Usually, gills are located on either side of the head. Gills are located either side of head of fishes. Head of fishes. This is very important one here. Gills are located either side of the head of the fishes. Whenever gills are flooded by water with dissolved oxygen. Water with dissolved oxygen what will happen? Oxygen is diffused into the blood vessels present at gill. Like this, gaseous exchange process takes place. What? Gaseous exchange process takes place. Okay, observe. Here, bronchial respiratory system. It is also called as gill respiratory system. It is also called as gill respiratory system. Examples for organisms having the gill respiratory system: fishes, larvae of frogs, etc. Different types of fishes. Okay. Next, some specialized structures are present for the respiration of gaseous exchange. Some specialized structures are present. These specialized structures are called gills. They are called usually gills. Okay. They absorb the dissolved oxygen from the water. What is the function of the gills? What is the function of the gills? They absorb the dissolved oxygen from water. This is the main function of the gill. Function of gill. Okay, what is the location of the gill? They are located either side of the head of fishes and other animals. Okay, gills are located on either side of head. On either side or either sides of head of the fishes. Okay. Next, whenever gills are flooded by water, for example, imagine this is a gill. Whenever this gill is flooded with water, then what will happen? Gaseous exchange process takes place. Gaseous exchange process takes place between the water and blood. This is a blood vessel, here blood. Blood vessel, it is blood. Here it is a blood. For example, here water is present like this. Here dissolved oxygen is present. Concentration of the dissolved oxygen in water is dissolved oxygen concentration is high. Here oxygen concentration is low. Now from the outside water, oxygen is entered into the blood. From the oxygen, carbon dioxide is released out of the blood. This is a gaseous exchange process. This type of process occurs at this place. Okay, gaseous exchange process. Next, Now, let us discuss about process of gaseous exchange. Process of gaseous exchange. This is another important one. First, fishes first fish opens its mouth. Fish opens its mouth. Okay, for example, observe, fishes open their mouth. First, fishes open their mouth like this. Okay, observe carefully. Okay, observe carefully. Fishes open their mouth and lowers actually this is the floor of the buccal cavity. But after opening of the mouth, they lowers their floor of the buccal cavity. They lowers the floor of the buccal cavity. Lowers the floor of the buccal cavity. Then what will happen? More water is entered into the buccal cavity through water. More water is entered into the buccal cavity through the mouth. Whenever water is entered into the mouth or buccal cavity, fishes close their mouth. Then what will happen? Then they rise the floor of the buccal cavity. Now entire water, because of high pressure created by the, because of high pressure, okay, because of high pressure, water is transported to next part of the alimentary tract, that is the pairing. That is the pairing. Through pairing, it is pushed towards the gill. Okay, then they floor the, then they flood the. Okay, observe carefully here. Then water floods the gills present on either side of the head. Either side of the head. Remember, important one. Okay. Means entire heart, entire heart is gills are flooded like this. Now, based on the diffusion process, gaseous exchange process takes place. Observe carefully. Gaseous exchange process takes place based on the diffusion process. Means oxygen is absorbed and oxygen is released into the or transported into the blood. Transported into the blood. From there, usually this is the bronchial respiratory system or gill respiration. Like this, from the blood, here what happened now? What has happened is gaseous exchange process takes place. Gaseous exchange process takes place at gills. From the gills, it is entered into blood. From blood, they are transported to the each and every cell of the body. Each and every cell of the body. Okay, observe carefully. Okay, observe. Process of gaseous exchange. First, fish opens its mouth and lowers the floor of the buccal cavity. Means oral cavity or buccal cavity. Then what will happen? Then water present in surrounding medium, that water is entered into the buccal cavity through mouth. Then immediately fish closes its mouth and rises the floor of the buccal cavity. Then what will happen? Because of that pressure created by floor of the buccal cavity, because of the, observe carefully, because of that pressure, water is pushed into the next part of the buccal cavity, that is actually pairing. That is actually pairing. From the pairing, it is pushed to the gill lamellae. Whenever water comes to the gills, they are flooded with the water. Okay, now what left? Usually gills are flooded with water. Now water contains more oxygen than oxygen present in the blood. Gills are highly supplied with the blood capillary. Now from the water, oxygen is diffused into the surrounding water, into the body, into the blood. Understanding? Into the blood. Okay, like this. Gaseous exchange process takes place. Or the gaseous exchange process takes place between the surrounding water medium and blood of gills. This is important one here. Observe once again. Okay, next. Next, pulmonary respiration. Next one, pulmonary respiratory system or pulmonary respiration. Okay, observe carefully. What is pulmonary respiration or pulmonary respiratory system? If gaseous exchange process takes place through the lung, then this type of respiratory system is called pulmonary respiratory system. Here lungs play very important role in pulmonary respiration process. Understanding? In maximum organism, higher organisms, lungs act as the respiratory organ. Okay, a respiratory structure. What? Lung. The important ones, remember. Already we discussed in last classes. Lungs have observe carefully. In last classes we discussed about the lung. They are small chamber-like structures. Small chamber-like structures, they are called alveoli. They are called alveoli. Yes. Observe carefully. What alveoli are the regions of alveoli? Okay, are the alveoli are important? Are the alveoli gaseous exchange process takes place? Gaseous exchange process takes place. Gaseous exchange process takes place inside of the lungs at alveoli region. At alveoli region. Very important, remember. Okay. Observe. Okay. Observe carefully. Next. Already we discussed about a gaseous exchange at lungs level. This is the alveoli, this is the blood. From the alveoli, oxygen is entered into blood. Carbon dioxide is released out of the alveoli from the blood. From the blood, this is the oxygen. That is the carbon dioxide. Okay, observe carefully here. Oxygen is entered into the blood from the alveoli. Carbon dioxide released out of the blood into the alveoli. This is gaseous exchange process. This is the gaseous exchange at lung. Yes. Like this, if gaseous exchange process takes place through the lung, if gaseous exchange process takes place through the lungs, then it is called pulmonary respiratory system. Pulmonary system. Observe one. Next, another type of respiration or respiratory system, buccopharyngeal respiration. Buccopharyngeal respiratory system. Yes. Means buccopharyngeal. In some plants, buccal cavity is supplied with number of blood capillaries. Buccal cavity cavity is supplied buccal cavity is supplied with blood vessel. Buccal cavity is supplied with number of blood vessels or blood capillaries. Okay, here what will happen actually? Whenever water is entered into the buccal cavity, oxygen which is present in water, that is absorbed into the blood. Okay. Whenever water has the dissolved oxygen, water that has the dissolved oxygen is entered into the buccal cavity. Now what happens? Gaseous exchange process takes place. Gaseous exchange process takes place. Example for this type of organism, best example is frog. Frog can perform the buccopharyngeal respiration. What? Buccopharyngeal respiration process. Observe carefully.